Right guys, ito naman. So, mostly puro food tayo. So, ngayon naman, drink naman ang ating iti-test. So, kung kayo stressed, mag-coco kayo. So, this one is winter melon with grass jelly. So, this is actually my favorite sa coco. So, ayun, tignan natin. Obviously, feeling na natin, alam natin kung malakas ang sugar dito. Tsaka, ang winter melon kasi walang sugar level. So, it's always the same. So, tignan natin ha. So, right now, mababa sugar ko is 87. Sakto lang. So, ayan. So, there. Tingnan natin after, or ayan, pang stress ka talaga, di ba? Alam mo naman yung commercial eh. Yun! Ayaw talaga. Ayan, focus ko lang muna. Ayan, so there, napasok ko na. Grabe no, challenge din. So, kailangan ko palitan yung straw. Anyway, see you in 1 hour. Okay, it's been an hour since nalinis ko yung kalat ko. Ubus na yung winter melon. And tingnan natin ang ating blood sugar. Obviously, tataas to. Ang tanong is gaano kataas, di ba? So, ayan. Yes, it's mataas. It's actually 174. So guys, ingat-ingat na pag nag-winter melon tayo or nag-milk tea in general. Okay? Kasi it's not really the best for your health. If ever, kung kaya nyo less sugar, kung ba yung zero sugar, but where's the fun in that, diba? So, till next time, guys.